Hi, this is Monica from Honk NYC. Honk NYC is an organization dedicated to bringing global street music to New York City. We bring it to clubs, to parks, to the streets, and we bring it to schools where kids get to learn about different musical instruments and musical cultures.
But this is a sousaphone, one of the heaviest instruments that a brass band carries.
The 2018 festival will be October 9th through 13th. This year we're so excited to present from New Orleans the New Creations Brass Band, and from Sao Paulo, Unidos do Swing. We'll also have local favorites, the Funk Rush Brass Band, and the L Train Brass Band, and many, many, many more. Honk thrives on participation, and we'd love to have you included in that. Please go to honknyc.com where you can learn about becoming a member, you can volunteer, you can come to our events and share your energy. We'd love to see you.
Please support Honk NYC!
So get ready to dance, it's going to be so much fun.